Let's check out a Honda CRV today. Got to say, as a 2010 model, which is already 15 years old, the interior of this car is still very impressive. Many people come to us and upgrade their 11 years old cars. Many of them have interior aging, cracking and melting issues. But this car is still very good. It continues Honda's consistent tradition. Barely see any signs of aging. This car is also high spec, comes with electrical adjustable seat, and also power heated seat and sunroof. As a family SUV, this spec isn't considered outdated even today. The only thing missing is a navigation screen. Let's add a CarPlay today, along with a reverse camera. Let's take a look together.
A few moments later.
Yeah, wow. Let's see the effect after installation. Apple CarPlay. Smooth experience. Let's search an address. Let's go. Reverse camera. How was that? Steering wheel control. The old car instantly becoming a better car.